Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this mask effect on CapCut PC. Let me just find the video first. I'm like trying to find the video that oh, here it is. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just going to copy and paste it, and on this one I'm just going to go to remove background and I'm going to select auto removal. Actually, I will just zoom it in. Never mind. I'm just going to zoom it in actually. Here, and then I'm just not going to copy and paste that. I'll put it on the second timeline, like the second track. Then I'll go to stock materials and I'm just going to get a scenery video of something or anything you want really. It's up to you. So, okay. So when he starts walking, you're going to start masking. Like right about here. Okay, let me actually just do that first so we can still see the shape. It's like right about here. Let's go to mask and select the horizontal one, and we're going to rotate it this way. You can feather it out a little bit, but I'm just not going to. So add a keyframe here, and when he starts walking, just keep dragging that keyframe. I would do it in one swoop, but this is just gonna make it a little bit more accurate. Like that. And that is pretty much it really. Now you have this really cool video transition by just using the mask feature. Well, I forgot that we need to actually add a keyframe here and put it there. There we go. Okay. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!